The subject of this video is OneDrive data recovery using the recovery tool that Microsoft supplies. Click on Settings, Restore Your OneDrive. Here you can select a date to view the files that have been deleted. These files are in your recycle bin essentially, but it gives you an organized way of browsing through documents that have been deleted or items that have been deleted. And you can use the slider to select the date and browse through, and then decide what you want to recover. I tend to go through, select roughly the date, go through, and I don't select everything at once. What I do is I collapse the views of the data, because as you see, each day is expanded. So collapse it. And then look at the day, and this is really important. You have to really think about the day that you want to restore, because it will overwrite. So there you go. There's the file I want. Maybe those two files, and then from there I can click the restore button. So I hope you found this video helpful. Please click like and subscribe. Thanks a lot.